Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to select you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with chapter operations within integer. The lessons we're going to cover today are complete multiplication and division equations with integers, then evaluate numerical expressions involving integers, and the last one we have to do is add and subtract integers using counters. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I'm on grade 7 maths. The lesson name is operations with integers. Let's just start with the first lesson, complete multiplication and division equations with integer. Let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, the first one is type the integer that makes the following multiplication sentence true. Got it? You have to basically find the missing number, like minus 6 times missing number equals negative 8. Got it? You have to find the missing number. Got it? So 6 times negative 6 times what number equals 18? So negative 6 times missing number equals 18. You have to find a number that when multiplied by 6 makes 18. Got it? So just look at the first. Let's just ignore the signs first. Got it? Let's just find the number. 6 times what number equals 18? 6 times 3 makes 18. Got it? Now you can look if 3 is positive or negative. So we know that negative 6 times missing number equals negative 8. So negative 6 times the missing number equals negative 8. That means the missing number is positive. Got it? Because when negative 6 is already negative and the product is negative 18, so that means the number is positive. Got it? It would be 3 times negative 6 equals negative 18. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the next one is that's the same we just did on the tutorial. Negative 6 times missing number equals minus 18. So 6 times what number is 18? Negative 6 times 3 makes 8, negative 18. Got it? That's the one we just did on the tutorial. So the correct option is 3. Let's just move on to the next one. Hello? Okay, the next one is missing number times negative 1 equals 2. Got it? Let me just do it on board. Missing number times minus 1 equals 2. Got it? You have to find the number when multiplied by negative 1 makes 2. Got it? 1 times 2 makes 2. Got it? But here 1 is negative. You have to make a positive number here, over here. Got it? Negative times negative is positive. That means the missing number is negative. Negative 2 times negative 1 equals 2. Got it? So the missing number is negative 2. The missing number is minus 2. Okay, the next one is negative 2 times missing number equals 8. Negative 2 times missing number equals 8. Just look at this product. The product is positive. Got it? That means you have one negative number. That means the other number is also negative. Got it? Negative times negative is positive. That means negative 2 times negative number is positive. Got it? So 2 times 4 is 8. It would be negative 2 times negative 4. That would be positive 8. Got it? Minus times minus is positive. So it would be positive 8. Got it? So that means the missing number is negative 4. Got it? Because negative 2 times negative 4 makes positive 8. Got it? Okay, the next one is negative 8 divided by missing number equals minus 1. Negative 8 divided by missing number equals negative 1 or 1? Negative 1. Got it? You have to look for the number that when divide negative 8, the answer is negative 1. Got it? We know that when a number divide itself, the answer is 1. Got it? So it will be negative 8 divided by 8 equals negative 1 because the answer is negative. One of the given number is negative. That means the missing number is positive 8. Got it? So the correct option is positive 8. Okay, the next one is missing number times missing number times negative 2 equals 6. 6. Yes, okay. Negative 3 times. Okay, negative 3 times what number makes 6? 3 times what number makes 6? 3 times what number is 6? 3 times 2 is 6. Got it? But 6 is positive. That means you have to do negative 2 times negative 3 equals 6. Got it? Negative 3 times negative 2. Both the numbers are negative. When you multiply the two negative numbers, the answer is positive. So it would be the missing number is minus 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is the missing number divided by minus 2 equals 2. Missing number divided by minus 2 equals 2. Got it? So let's just start with the missing number. Your missing options are 4 and 2. Let's just start with the first one. Got it? 4 over minus 2 equals 2 times what number is 4? 2 times 4 is 8, but you have negative 2 as answer, but here you have 2. Got it? Let's check for the other option. That would be negative 2. 4 over negative 2 equals 4 times 2 is 8 and negative sign cancel out it. So that means the missing option number is 2. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. The missing number is -4. Okay, you can complete the test. Okay, the next number is missing number times 7 equals -21. Missing number times 7 equals -21. So you have to look for a number 7 times what number equals 21. So 7 times 3 is 21. Got it? But here you have -21. That means the missing number must be negative. So 7 times -3 equals -21. Got it? So the correct option is -21. The missing number is -3. Okay, -12 divided by the missing number equals -3. -12 divided by the missing number equals -3. Got it? 3 times what number is 12? 3 times 4 is 12. That means it would be -12 divided by 4 equals -3. Got it? Because 4 times 3 is 12. So the correct option is -3. Okay, the correct option is 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is evaluate numerical expressions involving integers. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is evaluate numerical expressions involving integers. Okay, let's start with the first one. 5 plus -5 plus -16 plus 7. So you have more than one operation in an expression. Got it? So let's just start with the first example. 5 plus -5 -5 plus -16 plus 7. Okay, you have to start from left to right. So start anything that is on the left side first. Got it? So it is subtracting a negative integer is same as adding a negative integer is same as subtracting. Got it? Adding a negative integer is same as subtracting. So it would be 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Got it? We are left with -16 plus 7. So -16 plus 7 equals -16 plus 7 is, yes, it is -9. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, the first one is -7 minus -2 minus 7. Okay, -7 minus -2 minus 7. Okay, so subtracting a negative integer is same as, Subtracting a negative integer is same as adding, it would be negative 7 plus 2. Got it? So negative 7 plus 2 is, you have to subtract and put the sign of the greater number, it would be negative 7, 5. Got it? Now you are left with negative 5 minus 7. Got it? Both of the numbers have the negative sign. That means you have to add them. 7 and 5 is 12, and you have to put the sign of the negative number. So it would be negative 12. Got it? So the correct option is negative 12. Let me write it down on board. Negative 7 plus minus 2. Negative 7 plus minus 2 and minus 6. Okay, now we are adding two of the negative integers. Got it? When you are adding two negative integers, they have the same signs. You have to add them. You have to put a sign of the negative number. It would be 7 and 2 is 9, so it is negative 9. Got it? You are left with negative 9 minus 6. Got it? Again, both the numbers have the same sign. 9 and 6 makes, you have to add them. 9 plus 6 makes 15, so it is minus 15. Got it? The correct option is minus 15. So the correct option is negative 15. Here you have negative 15. Okay, the next one is 2 minus minus 14 plus 3. 2 minus minus 14 plus 3. Okay, subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. Got it? Subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. That means you have to add them. 14 plus 2 is 14 plus 2 makes 16, and 16 plus 3 makes 19. Got it? So the correct option is, so the correct option is 19. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 8 plus negative 9 and plus negative 8. 8 plus negative 9 and plus negative 8. Got it? Okay, you have to solve this one. So 8 plus negative 9. So adding a negative integer is same as subtracting. It would be 8 minus 9. Got it? And also here you have subtracting a negative integer. That means they are subtracting. 8 minus 9 is 8 minus 9 is negative 1, and negative 1, negative 8 is, you have to add them and put a sign of the negative, so it would be minus 9. Got it? So the correct option is negative 9. Okay, the next one is negative 16 plus negative 13. Negative 16 plus negative 13 plus 15. So you have to add two negative integers. Got it? It would be 6 plus 3 is 9, and 1 negative 29 plus 15. Got it? So So negative 29 plus 15, you have to subtract them. 9 minus 4, 5 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So it would be negative 14. Got it? The correct option is negative 14. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 1. The next one is 7 plus 1 minus 8 plus 17. Minus 17 it is. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 minus negative 8 is, subtracting a negative number is same as adding. It would be 8 plus 8 minus 17. 8 plus 8 is 16, and 16 minus 17 is 1, and 17 is negative number, so answer must have a negative sign. So the correct option is negative 1. So the correct option is negative 1. Okay, the next one is negative 5 plus 14. Negative 5 plus 14 minus 7 and plus minus 2. So you have to start with negative 5 plus 14. So 14 take away 5 is 9. 9 minus 7 plus minus 2. So subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. You have to do 9 plus 7. Got it? 9 plus 7 is 16, and 16 minus 2 equals, yes, it is 14. Got it? So the correct option is 14. Okay, let's just move on to the next one. Okay, the next one is negative 4 plus 7 and minus 17. Negative 4 plus 7 minus minus 17. Okay, so you have to do negative 4 plus 7. Got it? So negative 4 plus 7 is 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 minus 7. So subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. Got it? It would be 3 plus 17. So 17 plus 3 is 20. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 20. Okay, the next one is negative 18 plus 19 minus 4. Negative 18 negative 18 plus 19 minus minus 4. Got it? So let's just start with the first one. 18, 19 minus 18 minus 19 minus 18 is 1. 1 minus 4. So subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 5. Okay, the next one is 3 plus minus 2. The next one is 3 plus minus 2 and plus negative 5. So 3 minus 2 is 1 and 1 plus minus 5, 1 minus 5 is negative 4, right? So the correct option is negative 4. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is add and subtract integers using counters. So let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, use counters to add 4 plus minus 2. Got it? So how to add using counters? So when working on the counters, like the first example is 4 plus minus 2. Got it? So the green counters are the positive counters. 4 is positive, so positive, so they are representing the positive number. The red counters are the negative number. 2 is negative, so they are representing the negative number. So basically the concept is how you add using the counters. You can cancel out the same counters. Like you have uh, 4 of the positive counters and 2 of the negative counter. So these two negative counter cancel out two negative positive counters. Two positive counters. These two negative counters cancel out two positive counters. So you are left with just two positive counters. So the correct option is positive 2. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. They are already solved. So let's just start with the test question. Okay, use counters to subtract negative 4 minus negative 1. Got it? So just cancel out the same counters. Negative counter and negative counter. Wait, let me just use the annotator. Yes, everyone. Is there any problem? Okay, hold on. Okay, you have. Okay, this one is representing. This one represents the negative 4 and this one represents the negative 1. So same counters cancel out each other. So you are left with three negative counters. That means the correct option is negative 3. Got it? That would be the third one. Very good. Yes, it is the third option. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. So option number 3 is the correct option. What's wrong with? Yes, the correct option is negative 3. Okay, the next one is negative 4 minus 3. These tiles represents the negative 4 and these tile represents the negative 3. Got it? So same counts cancel out each other and you are left with, you are just left with one negative counter. Got it? That would be option number 1. Got it? So adding and subtracting using counters is very easy. Got it? So the correct option is -1. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is -1 and plus -1. Got it? So same counters cancel out each other. They both the counters are cancel out each other and you are left with, they cancel out each other. So you are left with nothing. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. That means you are left with 0, no counter. Got it? So the correct option is the second one. So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is hmm, two negative counters. Oh, you are adding. Got it? So it would be the first two counters. Got it? Because you are adding. So adding means you have to add those counters. So it would be the first option. Two negative counters it is. Got it? Okay, so for this one, 1 plus -3, you have one counter positive and three counters negative. So positive and negative counter cancel out each other and you are left with two negative counters. That means the option is, so the correct option is second one. Got it? Two negative counters is the -2 is the correct option. Very good, everyone. Okay, the next one is 2 minus -1. Got it? So subtracting a negative integer is same as adding. It would be 2 plus 1. Got it? And 2 plus 1 is 3. That means that is the option number 1 is the correct option. They are the three positive counters. Got it? Okay, the next one is 2 plus 4. So 2 plus 4 is, which is the correct option? Plus 4 equals 6. Got it? Positive 6. So all the counters are positive. That would be option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, very good. Okay, the next one is -4 and plus -1. So which is the correct option? It would be -4 minus -1 is -5. Got it? So that means the correct option is -5. Got it? The option number 4 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is -4 minus -3. The correct option is the same counters cancel out each other and you are left with just one negative counter. So it would be option number 4 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is -4 plus 1. So same counters cancel out each other and you are left with, yes, it is -3. Got it? Okay, the next one is -2, -1. So it would be it would be option number 1. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 plus 4. So all the counters are positive. You just have to add them. So together they make 7 positive counters. Got it? Okay, the next one is -2 and -2. It would be option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 4 plus -2. You have to cancel out the same counters. So you're left with just 2 positive counters. Got it? -3 plus 4 is you can cancel out the same counters and you are left with just 1 positive counter. So the correct option is +1. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is here you have a mistake. 1 is negative. You have a negative counter here. Got it? And you are left with just 1 positive counter. Okay, the next one is -3 minus -2. So it is -1. Got it? The correct option is -1. -1 it is. Okay, -1 plus -2 is, yes, together they make the 3 negative counters. Got it? Okay, we're done with the test. So we were working on grade 7 maths. The chapter we're working on is operation with integers, and the lessons we have covered today are complete a multiplication and division equations with integer, evaluate numerical expressions involving integers, and the one we just did is add and subtract integers using counters. Got it? So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.